Hello everyone. Now let us see the summary of the lesson A Legend of the Northland by Fove Carey. The poem A Legend of the Northland is actually a ballad that is narrating the story of an old lady who angered Saint Peter because of her unreasonable greed. So let us see the summary in detail. The poem is set in the backdrop of Northland, an extremely cold place somewhere near the North Pole. The poet says that far away in the Northland during winters, the days are shorter and the nights are so long that people are unable to sleep through the whole night. When it snows there, the people harness the fast running reindeer to their sledges. And in their furry clothes, the children of Northland look so funny like the cubs of a bear. The children or the younger generation there are told strange stories which have been passed down the generations. These stories may not be true, but still they might teach us some morally good lessons, which is why the poet tells his tale, and it is called a legend. A legend here means an old story that has been passed down from generation to generation. So here it goes like Saint Peter, who was a great saint, and he traveled from one place to another to preach. So Saint Peter was once traveling around the world to preach the word of the Lord, and he reached the door of a cottage where a little woman was making cakes. She was at the time baking the cakes on a hearth, and she was trying to make some things only for herself. As Saint Peter was fainting due to hunger, he asked the old lady to give one cake out of the many cakes that she had made. But she did not give him one of the cakes that he had already made. And then she began to make a very small sized cake for Saint Peter. While the cake was being baked, it seemed too large to be given away for free. She then made an even smaller cake for Saint Peter. But when she turned it over, it looked as large as the first one. Then she took a meager little scrap of dough and rolled it flat. The old lady baked it as thin as a wafer, and even then she could not part with it. All this angered Saint Peter, and he told her that she was far too selfish to dwell or to live in a human form and to have food and shelter and fire to keep her warm and comfortable. Cursing the woman, Saint Peter changed her into a bird. He cursed her to build her house like the birds did, and to live on scanty or little food by boring and collecting all the day in the hard and dry wood. As soon as he cursed her, the old woman got no chance to speak, and she went up through the chimney. And she came out as a woodpecker with a scarlet or red cap on her head, and her body was as black as coal. And it is said that every village school boy has seen her in the woods, and till this day, even today also, she lives in the trees, boring and digging in for her food. So this is what is the summary of the lesson A Legend of the Northland by Fove Carey. The word meanings are also given. You can read them, and the meanings are also like swift, quickly, curious, eager to know something. Preaching means to deliver a religious address. Hearth means a floor of the fireplace where the people cook food. And kneaded means here to press and squeeze the flour to make dough. And dough means a mixture of flour and water. Provoke means to make someone angry. Scanty means here less, very little. Scarlet means of a brilliant red color, and boring means here making a hole in wood or something like that. So thank you. Bye.